Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add fonts to Google Play. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Google Play app. At the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Next, tap Payment Methods. Select Add Credit or Debit Card. This option will allow you to enter your card number and add it to your account as a new payment method. Enter your card number. Next, enter your card's expiration date and enter your card's security code. Make sure to indicate your full name, country of residence, and postal code correctly for your payment method to work. Tap the green Save button. This will save your new payment method to your Google account. You can now use it in the Google Play Store or any other purchase with a Google Pay service. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.